We got some breaking news about the CRO token entering a new chapter in the US market. But what is this news truly all about? Well guys, I would say let's strap in and let's find out. This video is sponsored by Nova Fox and their Clash of Galaxy game, but also their up and coming free airdrop. Check it out in the link in the description down below. It's been a long time since we had the last post of the official Crypto.com account talking about the CRO token. So truly guys, this is some breaking news here. CRO enters a new chapter in the US market specifically, where Crypto.com and 21Shares US have formed a strategic partnership to enable proposed investment products tracking the CRO token. So these products we're talking about are a new proposed CRO private trust and also an up-and-coming ETF. And both are still subject, though, to approval by regulators like, for example, the SEC. And they're intended to expand regulated access to the Cronos ecosystem. I find it really interesting that they mention here the whole Cronos ecosystem and not just the CRO token, but more about that a bit later, guys. But first, I do mention this is an exciting milestone for the whole CRO fam. As always, though, the devil is in the details, so there are a lot more information here in the link down below. But before we go there, don't forget to hit the like button, of course, and strap in for more CRO-related content. Let's dive deeper though into this article, where we see that Crypto.com and 21Shares announced a strategic partnership. And by the way, you might know this company, 21Shares, because this isn't the first partnership with this company. 21Shares, for example, also publishes the Cronos ETF, a Cronos exchange-traded product available now on the Euronext exchange in Amsterdam, but also in Paris. So they have also already some experience with specifically the CRO token. But you can also see that 21Shares is actually one of the world's largest issuers of crypto exchange-traded funds. So talking here about ETFs, of course. And I'm going to partner with Crypto.com, which is a global leader in cryptocurrency services. And they today announced a new partnership to bring investment products tracking the CRO token to the market. The partnership, which aims to establish a CRO private trust and ETF, mark a significant step in broadening the regulated access to the CRO token, which, by the way, also is a leading Ethereum-compatible Layer 1 blockchain supported by Crypto.com. So the decentralized open source blockchain protocol is built using the Cosmos SDK and is also compatible with both the Ethereum virtual machine as well as the Cosmos ecosystem. So this dual compatibility allows developers to leverage existing tools, but also tap into a growing community of dApps and protocol. And guys, this is all commercial talk, but it is true. It is also one of the fundamental reasons why people might want to get into the CRO token. Anyways, additionally, Cronos prioritize low transaction cost, and yes, recently they made a 10x reduction in the gas cost, truly spectacular, and also high scalability. We're talking about 60,000 transactions per second, making it an attractive platform for developers and users alike. And I do agree there on this fact. So we're a proud partner with Crypto.com to help expand investor access to the Cronos ecosystem. Again, Cronos ecosystem, not just the CRO token. So potentially, guys, this can also have some impact on other tokens being built on the Cronos chain. Potentially RWA, potentially stablecoins. That can be quite big. So this will be done through innovative and transparent investment products with the CRO ETFs and also the CRO private trust. This is said by Federico Brocate, the global head of business development. So Crypto.com and Cronos are both paving the way for scalable and interoperable blockchain solutions. And this collaboration reinforces our commitment to delivering institutional-grade regulated exposure to the most relevant crypto assets. So guys, they are already quite big in the crypto ETPs. I will show them a bit later, but they are truly a big player in the market. They will provide more ways now for traders to engage with cryptocurrencies, and that's also central to our vision of further mainstreaming crypto, bringing crypto into every wallet, said here by Eric Enziani, president and CEO of Crypto.com. Crypto.com is a long-time supporter and also contributor to the Cronos blockchain, and we're excited to partner with 21Shares to enable more investors to participate in the CRO journey ahead. And they do mention here, this partnership announced follows a previously established strategic partnership between the two firms to support innovation across both companies. And they talk about this partnership over here. 21.co and Crypto.com announced the strategic partnership, and 21.co is actually the parent company of 21Shares. And back then, it was October of 2024, they tried to launch the 21.co wrap Bitcoin, but unfortunately, guys, this is no longer supported. So not every partnership is a big success, but it shows that at least Crypto.com is seen as a reliable partner for 21.co. I do believe this also will have impact on the token price, but let's talk about that after the quick word of today's sponsor. December is here, and December is the month of giving, and it's exactly what Nova Clash of Galaxy will do here with Center, because they're now running the airdrop program before the launch of their actual game on the Cronos chain. So the airdrop program, you can join now with the link in the description down below. And you can see for the next 36 days, they are running their campaign. So all you gotta do is you gotta head over to the website. You have to connect with your wallet, also verify your email address, and you can actually get one of the free Clash of Galaxy Nova NFT. Guys, check it out again in the link in the description down below before it's too late. Anyways, let's continue talking now about the strategic partnership for CRO. And before we move over to the price action, I do want to mention quickly that this 21Share company actually has been acquired recently by Falcon X. And Falcon X is an even larger shark within the prime brokerage business. And guys, recently also, we had seen that one of the employees of Crypto.com went over to work at Falcon X. So I think, guys, there are no such things as coincidences. So maybe this can be an even bigger deal also within the bigger portfolio of Falcon X. But really, guys, I'm happy to see that 21Shares is working together with Crypto.com on the CRO ETP. You can see the CRO ETP is, by the way, the 8th largest single asset crypto product that 21Shares currently offers. You can see a bit more details really about the product here. So it's talking about the Cronos ETP by 21Shares. And what's quite funny to see is that since the inception of the Cronos ETP, it's up about 18.15%, outpacing therefore also the S&P 500. So if you bought the Cronos ETP at the inception, you have outperformed the S&P, which I think is quite interesting. If we then take a look at the CRO charts, you can see that the CRO token didn't really respond on the news, because to be honest, it's the next ETF announcement again. And we have seen a lot of ETF announcements, and the effect is diminishing as well. What we need is not the announcement of the ETF. We need the ETF to go live so we can actually see what kind of demand we're talking about for the CRO ETF by 21Shares. And the same thing also for the private trust. Having these products, though, cannot hurt, guys. But first, we need to get approval for all these different ETFs, like, for example, the Canary State CRO ETF. And we also have a few other products as well. The CRO price itself is still creating those higher lows, but we still have a hard time breaking through 11.2 cents. And I do believe we're still waiting on Bitcoin to make that definitive move, because we're still also within this pattern here for Bitcoin, that potential bear flag. So if we see a move to the upside, breaking above 95k, give or take, then we might see some more bigger moves also for the CRO token. Overall, strategic partnerships like this for Crypto.com make me more bullish for the future of the CRO token. Crypto.com is taking CRO seriously once more. And I do believe, even though that the price action doesn't reflect that right now, I do believe long term, this is fundamentally very, very bullish. Anyways, guys, let me know in the comments down below what you think about this news. Are you waiting also for those approvals of the SEC? Let me know in the comments down below. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit the like button and, of course, subscribe for more CRO related content. And if you want to learn more also about some other price action for the CRO token, check out this video here to the right of me.